All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about the king of miners, the granddaddy of them all, the one that's the best out of them all, the one that has not rugged, the one that's not around for a month or two and gone. We're talking about BNB Miner. Been paying for over 400 days. I felt it was appropriate. We do all these videos, and all these YouTubers do all these videos of all these new miners that come out. 1 month later, they're gone, or 2 months later, they's gone. This miner's been out for over 400 days, BNB Miner. We're going to cover it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency, being a cryptocurrency project. All right, everybody, let's head over to the granddaddy, the one that gets the crown, the best one of them all, the one that hasn't rugged, the one that's still paying out BNB every single day, BNB Miner. All right here, I'm sorry, it's been paying out for 437 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes, and 41 seconds. The longest running miner. Who else has been paying out for over 400 days? Who else pays 100% BNB bonus rewards daily? All right, let's take a look at this. We're going to leave a link in the bottom if you want to do this. I put a whole 1 BNB into this. I've had some, just like in anything else, if you do different investments, you have some winners and you have some losers. I've had enough losers that I need some winners in my portfolio to basically make up for it. I watched a video on this guy that did this. He put 10 BNB into this, and he's already got 50 BNB just by compounding. All right, right now there's 2875 BNB in the contract. Let's take a look at this. 2875. We're gonna times it by $300. So there's $862,000 into this contract, which is fantastic. There's a compound button. There's a pocket your BNB button. There's a get started. There's a member video. I recommend once you actually go to this website that I link in the bottom, I recommend watching the member video. It's pretty good. I watched it 2 times actually. I was pretty impressed by it. I ended up throwing 1 BNB into this, and what happened is there was 0.99 BNB. I've compounded for 2 days, so this is my TVL. So even though the contract has 2875, you have a TVL too. So if you claim, your TVL is going to go down and you'll drain your own contract. If you do it the proper way, a 6-in-1, a 5-in-1, a 10-in-1, whatever, if it pays 3% a day, I mean, it's just real simple. If you take 3 claims a month, 3 and 3 is 12%, you can actually make 12% on your money. This is a long-term play. This is not a drain the contract, get all your money in 1 month, and then see what happens. Again, read this again. 437 days this has been paying. The guy on this video, right here, the member video, he was like, this is a paycheck. This is a freaking paycheck, everybody. I'm getting a paycheck every single week. He's got 50 BNB that he's getting 3% on. He compounds it all the time. And he takes maybe one reward a week, 1 reward every 8 to 10 days. But since he's got 50 BNB in this thing, it's going crazy. All right, let's check out some things that it's saying. Sustainability. BNB Miner is sustained by continually community support. Just like every other crypto coin, token, or project, the difference is BNB Miner also has the algorithm that doesn't allow others to instantly dump their coins on the community. BNB Miner also allows you to stabilize and increase your TVL by taking long-term advantage of the compound feature. All right, it's verified public contract. The BNB contract is public, verified, and can be viewed on BSC Scan. You can also get verified proof on the longest running miner claim on BSB Scan here. Let's read what this says over here. Again, this is a winner. I'm putting this in my portfolio because, again, I've had enough losers that if you had 20 projects and 10 of them were losers and 10 of them were winners, you have to hope that your 10 winners offset your losers. So I'm starting to load more winners into my portfolio so basically it can offset the losers. It's kind of like fantasy football. Miner information. BNB Miner is designed for individuals with long-term vision. It is not for those who want to instant profit to ultimately harm others. Miners can be viewed as internal tokens whose value raises and falls based on the combined action of the community. Just like any other coin or token that you hold, But unlike the average coins and tokens, BNB Miner allows you to stabilize and increase your TVL by taking long-term advantage of the compound feature. I think I'm going to do a 6-in-1 in this thing. Compound it for 6. I'll probably claim my money on Sunday. Compound it for 6 days, and on Sunday I'll eat or claim. TVL is your currently established total value lock, an estimate value of your total miners. Once miners are hired, they work for you indefinitely. Therefore, your TVL can be not withdrawn in one lump sum. When you hire miners, they fill your barrel with BNB throughout the day with estimated daily total 3%. Yeah, this ain't paying 8%. It's not paying 10%. It's not paying 15%. So it lasts for 1 or 2 months. This is paying 3%. You can pocket or compound the BNB accumulated in your barrel at any time. Pocketing too often will ensure a decrease in your TVL, which in turn will ensure a decrease in the daily payouts. So if you keep claiming, you're just going to make less. The value of the miner continually increases and decreases throughout the day. Therefore, it is normally to see your personal TVL fluctuate as your barrel continues to fill. I had the one guy on the video, he actually said, he goes, all these other miners came out to go against this miner, 8%, 10%, 15% a day. I mean, it's great for the devs. It's great for the project. You know, if you get in early, this project is the longest running miner on the planet, which means it's been paying out rewards longer than anybody. It has a very modest 3%. Now, in the world, if you got 3%, that's crazy. But we're all used to, 8% a day, 10% a day, 15% a day. I mean, come on, do your numbers. How could that be sustainable? And then you see them. I mean, look at Grinch Bucks. I love it to death. It had 2 million in volume, and within a month, it's down to 200,000 in volume. I mean, it's still paying out a small fraction of what's going on, but I mean, it shot up like a rocket, and then a month later, it's kind of, I don't know. Again, I'm invested in Grinch Bucks, so I like the project. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I'm documenting my DeFi journey so I can look back in 2 or 3 years from now and be like, oh, look how good I did in that project. Oh, I'm so glad I got in that BNB Miner, the one that's been running for so freaking long. But again, the guy thinks that all these other miners came in to kind of compete with this one, and nobody's talking about this one. So you know what? I've decided I threw a BNB in myself. I'm probably gonna eventually get 10 BNB in this thing and go up to 50 like this other guy. I'm just kind of getting in gradually. Do your own homework. Only invest what you're willing to lose. All right, the longest running miner on the planet, which is fantastic. Let's look at this right here. Here's your Twitter account, BNB Miner Finance Developer. The developer. It says the blockchain developer follows the project by joining the Telegram group. You can join the group right here. 400 days, the longest running miner. We do not rug. We're just getting started. The only miner that pays daily BNB bonuses and random giveaways. There's the Rock, and he's all excited about it. Over 400 days, 100% uptime, no rugs, no exploits, no hacks. Look at this, 10 BNB for ups for grabs, members video contest. We're now giving away 10 BNB to our top BNB miner video creator. Join us in Telegram for full details. So the winner is, and they're going to basically give out 10 of these things. It says BNB Miner Finance is running a random 50% BNB bonus rewards event throughout the day. This starts each day, every event, and announced on the Telegram channel with our group chat. So you go over to this, look at our 50 BNB / 20,000 first year annual anniversary giveaway event was a huge blast. Therefore, we're planning to do it again. Yeah, these guys have been around for happy anniversary. They've been around for over a year, everybody. The #1 miner, been around forever. Very modest, 3%. Yeah, look at that. Winnie the Pooh's even liking this, the miner. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, this is one of the top miners out there right now, BNB Miner. Check it out. Again, I put 1 BNB in this. I'll do some videos from time to time. You're going to watch me get the 10 BNB in this, and I'm going to do what that guy did on the video. He's at 50 BNB. He says, this is a freaking paycheck, guys. Do it right. Play the game right. Compound, compound, compound. They actually say you can compound more than once a day, twice or 3 times a day, if it makes sense for you. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here so you can look at BUSD crop farmers. Click over here so you can watch USDC crop farmers. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we will see you a little bit later on today.